Can a keyboard this small truly be a game changer for your desk? Or is it just another compact gimmick? Today, we're diving into the RK920 mechanical keyboard to find out if this little guy lives up to its promise of big performance in a tiny package. First impressions. This thing is genuinely compact. The RK920 is designed to take up minimal desktop real estate, and it absolutely delivers on that. If you're someone who constantly finds themselves bumping their mouse into their keyboard, or just craves more space for those wide, sweeping mouse movements in gaming, this mini design is a clever solution. It's super thin and light too, making it incredibly easy to just toss into a bag and carry with you. No fuss, no heavy lifting. Setting it up is as straightforward as it gets. You just need to insert the mini keyboard into any available USB port, and you're ready to start typing. It's that simple plug-and-play convenience that we all appreciate, especially when you just want to get straight to work or gaming without wrestling with drivers or complex software. Now, what really elevates the RK920 beyond just a compact form factor is its mechanical nature. The fact that it offers options like black axis, green axis, and T-red switches is a huge deal. For those unfamiliar, this means you're getting genuine mechanical switches, not just a standard membrane keyboard. Black axis typically provides a smooth, linear key press, which many gamers love for its rapid, consistent actuation. Green axis often delivers a satisfyingly clicky and tactile feedback, perfect for typists who enjoy that audible and physical confirmation with each keystroke. And T-red usually offers a tactile bump without the loud click, striking a nice balance for both gaming and typing. This choice is fantastic, allowing you to pick a typing experience that truly suits your style, whether you're deep into a gaming session or powering through a long document for the office. Despite its small size, the RK920 is built for efficient data input. You won't feel like you're sacrificing performance for portability. Plus, it's a luminous gaming keyboard, meaning it comes with backlighting. This isn't just for aesthetics. It's incredibly practical for those late-night gaming sessions or working in dimly lit environments, ensuring you can always see your keys clearly. It's clear this keyboard is trying to cater to both the gaming crowd and office users who value space and a quality typing experience. The build quality, while from a generic brand, feels surprisingly robust for its size, suggesting it can handle the rigors of daily use. So, is the RK920 mechanical keyboard a gimmick? Absolutely not. It's a well-thought-out compact solution that brings the benefits of mechanical switches and luminous keys to a space-saving design. If you're looking to declutter your desk, gain more mouse room, or simply need a highly portable yet capable keyboard, this one definitely deserves a look. It's a powerful little peripheral that punches above its weight.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.